Surah Al-Dahr, the duration. This surah is Medinan, containing 2 sections and 31 verses.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the infinitely gracious, the most merciful.
هل أتى على الإنسان حين من الدهر لم يكن شيئا مذكورا.
A time elapsed upon man when he was not something worthy of mention.
إنا خلقنا الإنسان من نطفة أمشاج نبتليه فجعلناه سميعا بصيرا.
We have created man from a mixed seminal fluid, that we may test him, so we granted him hearing and sight.
إنا هديناه السبيل إما شاكرا وإما كفورا.
We have shown him the way. He is either grateful or ungrateful.
إنا أعتدنا للكافرين سلاسل وأغلالا وسعيرا.
We have prepared chains and iron collars and a blazing fire for the disbelievers.
إن الأبرار يشربون من كأس كان مزاجها كافورا.
Indeed, the righteous will drink from a goblet in which camphor is mixed.
عينا يشرب بها عباد الله يفجرونها تفجيرا.
A spring from which the chosen people of Allah will drink, making it gush forth wherever they wish.
يوفون بالنذر ويخافون يوما كان شره مستطيرا.
They fulfill their vows and they fear the day whose adversity will spread far and wide.
ويطعمون الطعام على حبه مسكينا ويتيما وأسيرا.
And they offer food in his love to the destitute and the orphan and the prisoner.
إنما نطعمكم لوجه الله لا نريد منكم جزاء ولا شكورا.
We only feed you for the sake of Allah. We do not desire recompense from you nor gratitude.
إنا نخاف من ربنا يوما عبوسا قمطريرا.
We certainly fear from our Lord a day which is most distressing, extremely severe.
فوقاهم الله شر ذلك اليوم ولقاهم نضرة وسرورا.
So Allah will save them from the adversity of that day, and He will grant them brightness and joy.
وجزاهم بما صبروا جنة وحريرا.
And He will recompense them with paradise and silk clothing as they were patient.
متكئين فيها على الأرائك لا يرون فيها شمسا ولا زمهريرا.
Reclining upon thrones therein, they will not see the sun therein nor bitter cold.
ودانية عليهم ظلالها وذللت قطوفها تذليلا.
Its shades will be suspended over them, and its bunches of fruits will be lowered.
ويطاف عليهم بآنية من فضة وأكواب كانت قواريرا.
And they will be served with rounds from vessels of silver and glasses which will seem crystal clear.
قوارير من فضة قدروها تقديرا.
Clear silver vessels which they, i.e., the servers, have duly measured.
ويسقون فيها كأسا كان مزاجها زنجبيلا.
and they will drink therein from a goblet in which zanjabil is mixed.
عينا فيها تسمى سلسبيلا
It is a spring therein which is called Salsabil.
ويطوف عليهم ولدان مخلدون إذا رأيتهم حسبتهم لؤلؤا منثورا.
Immortal youths will move around them. When you see them, you will consider them to be scattered pearls.
وإذا رأيت ثم رأيت نعيما وملكا كبيرا.
And when you look there, you will see blessings in a great kingdom.
عاليهم ثياب سندس خضر واستبرق وحلوا أساور من فضة وسقاهم ربهم شرابا طهورا.
Upon them will be green clothing of fine and thick silk, and they will be made to wear silver bracelets, and their Lord will make them drink a pure wine.
إن هذا كان لكم جزاء وكان سعيكم مشكورا.
It will be said to them, indeed, this is a recompense for you, and your endeavor has been valued.
إنا نحن نزلنا عليك القرآن تنزيلا.
Dear beloved Prophet, indeed we revealed the Quran to you in phases.
فاصبر لحكم ربك ولا تطع منهم آثما أو كفورا.
So remain patient with the command of your Lord, and do not obey any sinner or ungrateful one among them.
واذكر اسم ربك بكرة وأصيلا.
And remember the name of your Lord morning and evening.
ومن الليل فاسجد له وسبحه ليلا طويلا.
So prostrate to him in part of the night, and glorify him during the long night.
إن هؤلاء يحبون العاجلة ويذرون وراءهم يوما ثقيلا.
Indeed, these people love the transient world, and they have left before themselves a momentous day.
نحن خلقناهم وشددنا أسرهم وإذا شئنا بدلنا أمثالهم تبديلا.
We created them and strengthened their limbs and joints, and if it be our will, we can replace them with their equivalent.
إن هذه تذكرة فمن شاء اتخذ إلى ربه سبيلا.
This is advice, so whosoever desires may adopt a way towards his Lord.
وما تشاءون إلا أن يشاء الله إن الله كان عليما حكيما.
And you cannot desire something unless Allah wills it. Certainly Allah is all-knowing, most wise.
يدخل من يشاء في رحمته والظالمين أعد لهم عذابا أليما.
He makes whomsoever he wills enter his mercy, and he has prepared painful punishment for the oppressors.